Welcome, my dear student. The third step, the fourth step, while design processing is the elaboration. Now, once all of the units in the design hierarchy that have been analyzed, the design hierarchy can be elaborated, and the effect of elaboration is to flush out the hierarchy, producing a collection of the process interconnected by net. This is done by substituting the context of architecture body for every instantiation of its corresponding entity. Each net in the elaborated design consists of the signals and the ports of the substituted architecture body to which the signal is connected. The elaboration of is the recursive operation started at the topmost entity in the design hierarchy. There are certain steps in that elaboration. The first step is to create the ports of entity. Next, an architecture body corresponding to the entity is chosen. If we do not explicitly specify which architecture body is to choose, the most recently analyzed architecture body is used. This architecture body is then elaborated first by creating any signals that is declared, then by elaborating each of the concurrent statements in its body. The concurrent statements in this architecture are all component instantiation statements. Each of them is elaborated by creating a new instance of the port specified by the instant entity and joining them into the net represented by the signal with which they are associated. Then the internal structure of the specified architecture body of the instantaneous entity is copied in the place of component instance. Once all of the component instance are all the resulting process have been elaborated. Elaborations of the design hierarchy is complete. We now have the fully fleshed out version of the design consisting the number of process instance and the number of nets connected to them. An important thing is that there are the several different instances of the same process, one for each use of an entity containing the process, and each process insert has its own different version of the process variable. Each net in the elaborated design consists of the signal, a collection of the ports associated with it, and the driver within the process instance. The last process is execution. The simulation algorithm consists of the initialization phase, which is followed by the repeated simulation cycle, and the simulator keeps the clock to measure out the passage of a simulation time. In the initialization phase, the simulation time is to set to 0. Each driver is initialized to drive its signal with the initial value declared for the signal or the difficult value for the signals if no initial values was declared. Next, each of the process instance in the design is started and executed the sequential statement in its body. We usually write a model so that at least some of these initial statements are to be scheduled and some of the transaction to get the simulation underway, then suspend by the executing wait statement. When all of the process instance have suspended, initialization is complete and the simulator can start the first of the simulation cycle, and that simulation cycle is a very important. And at the beginning of the simulation cycle, there may be the number of drivers with a transaction schedule on them and the number of process instance that have the scheduled timeout. The first step of simulation cycle is to advance the simulation time clock to the earliest time at which the transaction or the process timeout has been scheduled. Second, all the transaction schedules for this time are performed and updating a corresponding signals are properly causing the event on those signals. And third is all the process instance that are sensitive to any of these events are resumed. Addition to the process in the sentence whose timeout expire at the current situation time are resumed during the step, and all this process executed their sequential statement, possibly scheduling the more transaction or the timeout, and eventually sustained again by executing the wait statement. When all suspended, the simulation cycle is done and the next cycle can be started. If there are no transactions or the no timeout schedule, or if the simulation time reaches to the high, the simulation will be get completed. And in this way we will design the particular any system in the behavior language. Thank you very much.